Hi guys, just doing a quick what's in my fridge. My fridge has been stacked up because, since I'm on Apetamin, I've been eating quite a lot, and I thought, let me just show you what I have. Okay, I have some jam. It's like guava jam. I have, this is some maple syrup, coleslaw, Jamaican mango. I have some cheese, like for pizza. I do like processed cheese. And I've got Lucozade, whole milk. I drink organic whole milk. And the Yo Valley ones are very good. I got also a ting, which is a Jamaican or Caribbean drink. I have a orange, 2 oranges. I have avocado here for my organic ones, or for my protein shakes. I also have some condensed milk. I've got a can of Coke. I've got rice and peas. I've got some tomatoes. I have very lazy chopped ginger. I've got yogurts at the back there. I have some mini dippers, butter. Also, for my Apetamin weight gain, I drink peanut shakes, and this is a Jamaican nourishment. I also eat sausages in the morning as well as bacon. These are Richmond sausages. The bacon is on the hair. I'll also be cooking today some lobster. Just left it in the fridge to get thawed out. It's like a little lobster. For lunch, I'm having pizza. It's sweet chili chicken. And my son, he will be having a patty, saltfish patty. Also, I have in here some whipped cream for my strawberries. And I have another patty, curried lamb. And for my nighttime fun, just push that in. You can see I've done shopping and it's quite a lot of stuff. Got some Echo Falls summer berries wine, and this is a rosé wine. And the bottle is packed up as well with stuff, and I like cooking and I use a lot of herbs, so I've got spring onions, I've got thyme, potatoes, I like sweet peppers, I've got lime, and these limes are going to be washing my fish and my chicken. I also have mixed veg, garlic. I use organic garlic, and I have more potatoes and half cut lime or lemon. I've got some carrots under there and more garlic. And yeah, there's more stuff in there actually, but I can't do it right now. More mixed veg. Okay, I've got a cream in here. And this is just like, instead of using the whipped cream, I could use this normal cream with my strawberries. Right. So, that is what I have in my fridge. And I'll show you what I did for dinner last night. Just quickly. I did a whole chicken. It has salt and black pepper rub, but it's got thyme, ginger, garlic, and a lot of thyme. I'm not sure if you can see that properly. Just bring it into the light. Looks a bit burnt, but it's just all the seasonings and stuff. So I'll be munching on that today for lunch and dinner, whether in a sandwich, stir fry, whatever. I'll be using up this chicken. And I did 2 corn on the cobs yesterday, and I also did some ribs. So it's only a couple of slices. I did like 6 ribs, only a couple left. And yeah, that is my meal for today and for lunch. And I'll be keeping you guys updated on what I eat. And these are just some of the oils I use to fry with, crisp and dry. Got my tomato ketchup on deck, salt, my sausages, my tin Jamaican sausages. I got my ackee. So yeah, I'll be showing you guys more of what I eat soon. Thank you guys for watching. See you again soon.